Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Apache2 on Linux. So let's start with opening our terminal. So we'll go into show apps and terminal. And what is Apache2? Apache2 is one of the most popular web servers used to host websites on Linux. So I think it's pretty useful to have it installed on our systems. So how to install it? First of all, we check if it is working, because if it is working we don't have to install it. How do we check that? Basically by typing in sudo, because we need administration permissions to do it. And now systemctl status Apache2. We'll press enter. And as you can see, unit Apache2 service could not be found. That means we have to install it, and it's really simple, because in order to install it, basically we have to type in one command. It is sudo apt install and then Apache2. We'll press enter, and as you can see, do you want to continue? We have to type in Y. That means yes. And as you can see, our Apache2 is downloading. We have to wait a bit, and it is installed. And again, we can check if our Apache2 is working, so we will use the same command, sudo systemctl status Apache2. As you can see, our Apache2 is active and running. That means our installation was correct. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.